I had a patient with me when we were walking, and then that's when it had hit. I don't remember a sound. I just remember my ears building up pressure. Then they pop. Next thing I know, I feel the impact. Glass was flying underneath the patient rooms. So it was a very scary ordeal.
I had stopped to help the aide with a person getting them in the wheelchair, a patient, and it hit. So we were almost out the building, but then it was like, hurry, hurry, come on.
The ceiling was beginning to fall, rain was coming in, and our new x-ray equipment, I noticed that it was just, our new table was just soaked with water.
I'm just amazed at the whole community of Marietta and Love County and all these, the hospital and all the workers, and their disaster plan went just like it should have.
We were able to get our patients out of here in a very timely manner. Also, all the injured off of 35, we were able to triage them with what was left of our ER. All surrounding hospitals were sending EMS to help us out and pick these people up.
So the system worked where I know part of them were helping get patients in the ER out to the shelter, but then part of them were coming down to us, and they helped us the whole night, anything we needed.
I am so used to getting up for 24 years, so used to getting up, coming to work out here at the Mercy. Got up Monday morning feeling sad because I didn't have a job to come to. I didn't have my home place, my family home to come to.
I hope we're able to rebuild. I mean, that's our community needs it. I hate the thought of not being able to come back here,
Could have been worse. It could have been worse, but the good Lord, He was watching over us.